1.
I think the most important thing is service. If customers feel like they're treated poorly, then they probably won't come back. That's why I train all of my workers to give excellent service. They greet customers politely, show them to a table right away, and explain the items on the menu. Of course, the food is important too. The fish has to be as fresh as possible, and you have to find talented chefs to prepare it.
2.
The internet has totally changed this business. In the old days, people had to come to a travel agency to get tickets. Now they go online and get their tickets by themselves. When they come to me, I know they're looking for a good value. That's really the most important thing. Of course, our travel agency provides convenience for some clients who don't have the time to plan their own trips.
3.
These days, nothing is more important than speed. Time is money. People want a job done well, but they want it done quickly, and they're usually prepared to pay a little more if you can promise it will get done fast. And of course, quality is important too. We're building people's homes, so we want them to enjoy living there for a long time.
4.
It's so important to have the right kind of displays. Creating effective clothing displays is an art. You want people to see the items right away, pick them up, touch them, and then go try the clothes on. And you want them to buy something too. Good prices are also important, but the display is really the number one thing.